So, today we're diving into a new AI model called Olmo 3. And look, I know what you're thinking. Another new model, but this is different. This is about a massive shift from building AI behind closed doors to literally handing over the entire recipe book for everyone to see. But let's start with something we've all felt. You know that feeling you're like 30 messages deep in a chat with an AI? You've laid out this super complex idea, and then poof. It completely forgets a critical detail you told it just a few minutes ago. It's infuriating, right? It's like its memory just hits a reset button. Well, the reason why is kind of bonkers. Imagine you're reading a book, but for every new word you read, you have to flip back to page 1 and reread the entire book up to that point. It's just unbelievably slow and inefficient, but that's pretty much what most AI models are doing with your entire chat history for every single word they write back to you. And that brings us right to our first topic, what I like to call AI's annoying memory problem. Seriously, it's one of those fundamental hurdles that's been holding us back from having truly deep, coherent conversations with these things. So, what's the fix? Well, it's a really clever technique called sliding window attention. Instead of that rereading nightmare we just talked about, the AI keeps its focus on a window of just the most recent part of the conversation. So as you keep chatting, that window just slides forward. It keeps the important recent stuff right there in memory without getting totally bogged down by the full history. It's just a way smarter way to remember things. Okay, so a smarter memory is a big deal for sure, but it's how the Olmo team got there that leads to the real breakthrough. And this is what they're calling the fully open fix. Because, you see, the thing that makes Olmo 3 truly revolutionary isn't just that it's a better chatbot. No. The real story here is that the team behind it decided to be radically, completely transparent about every single thing they did to build it. So for a while now, we've had what are called open weight models. Think of it like this. Someone hands you a delicious finished cake. It's awesome, you can eat it, but you have absolutely no idea what the recipe was. Olmo 3, on the other hand, is what we call fully open. They're not just giving you the cake, they're handing you the entire recipe book, a list of every single ingredient, and basically the keys to the whole kitchen. And this all comes down to a concept they've named the model flow. We're not just talking about the final code here. We are talking about everything, the entire life cycle, all the training data they used, all of the code, all of the evaluation tools, and every single checkpoint they saved during training. It is all there for you to look at, to copy, and to build on top of. What this means is that every single step, from the raw data all the way to the final polished model, is totally visible. For researchers, this is a massive deal. It means you can actually trace why an AI gave a certain answer all the way back to the data it learned from. That's huge for accountability and for making AI better in the future. And just to give you a little perspective on the scale of this recipe book, here's a fun fact for you. The estimated price tag just to train the 32 billion parameter model was $2.75 million. That's 56 days straight, running on over 1,000 of the most powerful computer chips on the planet. This wasn't just a weekend project. It's a monumental gift to open science. Okay, so it's totally transparent. That's fantastic. But is it actually any good? Does taking this open book approach actually get you a high-quality model? Let's put Olmo 3 to the test and see. Well, the numbers really do speak for themselves. If you look at the big 32 billion parameter version, it isn't just keeping up, it's a leader. When you test it on key benchmarks for math and coding, it's showing some serious double-digit improvements over other fully open models out there. And you know what? It's the exact same story for its little brother, the 7 billion parameter model. It is consistently the top performer in its size class for fully open models. It's punching way above its weight, especially when it comes to technical stuff like math and code. So the main takeaway here is just massive. What the Olmo team has done is prove, without a doubt, that you do not have to hide your secret sauce to build a powerful, state-of-the-art AI model. Openness and high performance can absolutely go hand in hand. All right, quick pop quiz to make sure you're with me. We talked about the cake versus the recipe book. What's the big difference? Right, open weight gives you the finished cake, but fully open gives you the entire recipe. Now, let's talk about what kind of ingredients are in that recipe. Look, being truly transparent also means you have to be honest about what your model can't do so well. So let's have some real talk about the trade-offs that the Olmo team chose to make.
And they are incredibly upfront about this. This quote is pulled directly from their research paper. They say that because they put so much emphasis on STEM subjects, math, science, and coding, the model does a little bit worse on general knowledge tests. But listen, this was not an accident. It was a strategic, deliberate choice. They decided to build a specialized tool that is amazing in a few key areas, instead of another generalist model that's just kind of okay at everything. You know the saying, this is a feature, not a bug.
So, what does this all mean for you? Well, here's the most exciting part of this entire project. It's now your turn to get in there and build something. Because this is fully open, you can head over to the Allen AI GitHub page right now and download literally everything. I'm talking the model, the data, the code, the checkpoints, all of it. You can poke around, see how it all works, change things, and build your own custom models right on top of this incredible foundation they've provided. Now, this whole amazing effort comes from the Allen Institute for AI, also known as AI2. They're a nonprofit, and their whole mission is to advance AI research for the common good. Olmo 3 is just a perfect example of them putting their mission into practice for everyone to benefit from. And that really brings us to the final, most important question. For the very first time, the complete recipe for a world-class AI model is just out there, on the table, for anyone to use. So the question is, what would you build with it? Hey, thanks for tuning in for this one. Just as a heads up, this explainer was generated with Google's Notebook LM by Ving-Yun Yan, and it's based on the cited research from the Allen Institute for AI. It's for reference purposes only. We'll catch you on the next one.